track, boys.
Hi guys, it's me, Maj here from the Fashion Culture. Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed already, girl, what you waiting for? Just kidding, but don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification so every time I upload a video, you'll be notified. In this video, we're going to be unboxing the new iPhone SX Max or XS Max. I literally just got it, like FedEx literally just dropped it off. If you hear any noise in the background, that's my dog, so I do apologize. But we're going to unbox this right here on camera. Literally using my little scissors. Chanel, I'm going to need you to be quiet for this video, okay? Before we get into this video, I just want to mention I'm not a tech guru. I'm not a tech reviewer. I'm not a tech person, so I'm just a normal person who got the iPhone, the new iPhone, and I wanted to do an unboxing. One of my subscribers also asked me to do this unboxing, so I'm going to do it for her. I'll try to leave a little insert of her request here. Okay guys, so here's the phone. It's huge and I really love having big phones. I hate small phones. So this is what it looks like. Again, this is the Max. I got it in the space gray color, so basically the black, and I got 256 gigabytes. Currently, I think I have like the 100 something on my iPhone 7 Plus, but here we go. So it's just, you know, the normal standard box. And you just have all your, you know, information. Oh my god, it's so big. Your manual and stuff like that. You know, you get the little stickers, put on your laptop or anything you want. So all that is in there. And then, wow, oh my god, it's so big. Here's the phone. Well, it's not super big, but it's like a really nice size. And I really like the space gray color. I've never had space gray and I love it. I'll try to put some shots of it in here. And then you guys know with the box or with the included with the phone, you get a set of earphones or headphones and a charger. So you got the block and you have the cable. So let's go. I don't even want to take the plastic off. I'm gonna go ahead and take the plastic off. And you have your startup screen that just came up. So on the new iPhone, it says quick start. If you have an iPhone or iPad running iOS 11 or later, bring it nearby to sign in automatically. So that's what I did. Like I said, I have the 7 Plus. This is what it looks like. It's kind of beat up, but you just bring it close and it says set up new iPhone. So it just asked me, did I want to set up Face ID? We're not going to set up Face ID right now because I want to screen record and show you guys how it looks. But while I'm setting it up, I want to show you a few things that I ordered with the phone. These actually came before the phone came, obviously. The phone just came today. Today is the 21st. Yes, today is the 21st of September. So I got the Invisible Shield iPhone, you know, screen protector. I am the type of person that I will break my phone instantly, so I need to have a screen protector on my phone. This was $39.99. I also got a phone case because, again, I can't trust myself, so I got the Spec. I really like the Spec. The Spec are the clear cases. They're really durable. I use them all the time, so I got a clear one. Like I said, my phone is space gray. And they also asked me if I wanted another charger or I wanted a car charger, so I decided to get a car charger so that way I wouldn't have to worry about, you know, always bringing my charger with me. So I got these 3 things. I think all 3 of these were $80 and got them from Verizon. That's how I ordered my phone. I ordered it through Verizon. I just called them the day of. So let me just tell you a few things that I know about the phone. I don't know much. Again, I'm not a tech person. I know that these screens are 6.5, so it's a 6.5 display. I know it's supposed to be 90 minutes to an hour and a half, much longer on battery time. The Retina display is supposed to be a lot better. The camera is a lot better. Basically, it now has this feature where you can literally focus out your background. Okay guys, so I'm finally into my phone or whatever. We're gonna do the meme emoji, which is a new feature on the Animoji or whatever. So it says, welcome, send a message using your favorite Animoji or create your very own meme emoji. Okay, so I'm recording with the meme emoji. It's so freaking cute. I try to make it look similar to me. I mean, you know, since I got the red hair or whatever. So I'm setting up my Face ID. Continue. Get started. Okay, so I set up Face ID, and the last thing I'm going to show you guys is the new Measure app. So apparently it's supposed to be this new app where you can like measure stuff. Let's start at point. Oh, so it's so cool. It's just, you can just basically pick up something and like do a start point and an end point. Well, if you have the iPhone X already, you probably already know how to do this. But to get to Apple Pay, you just literally double click the home button. So I'll show you that again. Double click, boom. And you obviously would just hold your phone up to the reader. To get Siri, you would just hold on to the home button. Hey Siri.
Just press the home button to get to the home screen.
Okay, thanks for information I already know. And I was like, how am I going to be able to screenshot? I don't have a home button. So to screenshot, you want to hold your home button and the volume, the top of the volume. So, boop, that's it. So that's really it. I want to show you guys a little bit of the camera. Oh my god, the camera is fucking insane. Like this camera, wow, like this camera is crazy. I'm like looking at myself in this lens through that lens, and oh my god, this camera looks better than my vlogging camera. I'm not even like lying to you. This is my little setup right here. Wow. Oh, so my flyaways is trying to play me, but I just wanted to show you guys different things you can do on the phone. Sorry if it seemed like all over the place. I was just trying to set it up and do this video at the same time. I really like the phone. I think you guys should get it if you obviously want it. It seems to be very high tech, very fast. Okay guys, so that's pretty much it for the video. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. As always, comment, rate, subscribe. This person or this puppy wouldn't stop crying. Okay, I love you too. Chanel. If you guys enjoyed the video, please give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what you thought. Comment, rate, subscribe. Mwah. Bye, doll. Stay fab. Say stay fab, boo-boo. Say stay fab.